holds father's son. Okay, so what's a father's son? Of course, brother. And you can
Brother.
also, yes, yes, it's brother. And you can also see in this question, the answer is given itself, brother, here. So let's slide that. Okay, so now let's attempt the down questions. First is little creature lost in Canterbury. Okay, so any guesses?
And
Ant. And you can see that Canterbury has ant in it. So the answer is ant, and you can also figure it out from A and T. Okay, next one is part of foot placed on top of Tower of England. So what's a part of
toe.
a foot? Toe, of course.
Two.
Toe.
Okay. So in this clue, you can see that Tower of England has initials TOE. So the answer also gets 2 from here. Okay, next. Little bit of ketchup and so on. So when you want to write something that okay, there are many examples and so
etc.
on,
etc.
etc. Very correct.
Etc.
etc.
Very good. Okay, next is take a seat with special investigating team initially. Okay, so what's to take a seat? What's the verb?
Sit.
sit.
Okay, sit. And you can also see this from special S investigating I and team T. Okay, next. Massage Ruby endlessly. So what's to
rub.
massage?
Rub.
Okay,
Rub. Rub.
okay. And you can also see that from RUB. Okay, time he takes for creating an article in English language. So what are articles in English? What's an example of an article?
The. The.
Oh,
The.
okay.
The.
Okay, next, belonging to him. This doesn't start. So,
His. His.
okay, very good.
His.
His is actually a word which is a possessive of he. Okay, next, atmosphere at All India Radio.
Air.
Air.
Air, okay.
Air.
And you also know that All India Radio is having initials AIR. Okay, allow first half of letter. So what's allow? A synonym of allow. Starts with L and ends with T.
Let.
Okay,
Let.
very good. Okay, attach stripes evenly. What's to attach? You
Tie.
when you attach. Okay, tie. So I'll give the explanations now. How to solve these. Okay, first let's understand what is a cryptic crossword clue. So in simple crosswords, you just had a word and you just found the synonym of the word. But in cryptic crosswords, it actually follows a pattern where you have a direct clue, a connecting link, and an indirect clue. So let me explain what a direct clue is. Actually, a direct clue, for example, here is the main clue of which you want to find a synonym. Now, what's a connecting link? A connecting link is that word that is just there for decoration. It doesn't mean anything. And then there's the indirect clue of which you solve when you get the answer. So the difference between cryptic crossword and simple crossword is that you can actually confirm your answer. It's not just guessing. So that's really good. Now let's understand how the clues were solved. Okay, so before that, let's understand. So have breakfast with brewed tea. So what's have breakfast? Have breakfast means to eat something. So the answer is eat. Sorry, here's written wrong. It's actually eat. So now you can see that uh, have breakfast, this is the direct clue. And with, this is the connecting link. This doesn't mean anything. This is just here for show. You don't need to pay attention to this. And brewed tea. Okay, so what's brewed? Brewed is actually an anagram. So you know what anagrams are? Anyone can answer? Anyone knows what's an anagram? Okay, so an anagram is actually a word jumble. You jumble the letters in the word, you mix and match them to get your answer. So this is a type of anagram. And then T. When you jumble the letters in T, you get eat. Okay, next, warm pet gets food. So again, gets is an indirect connecting link. This doesn't mean anything. Okay, so here warm is the direct so here warm and pet. Warm pet is actually the indirect clue and food is a direct clue. Okay, so hot dog is a kind of food, right? And then what's a synonym of warm? A synonym of warm is hot and a kind of pet is dog. So you get hot dog. So that's how you solve it. And if you're not understanding then how to solve other questions, then it's no problem, because for now these are very hard to you, but you will get used to it. See, old cryptic crossword players actually understand, they start to understand this kind of pattern and what to solve, how to solve, what to attempt, not to attempt. So you will get to understand these things. Okay, so let's understand the answer of the cryptic crossword I gave earlier. Dress her cat. So a type of dress is pant and you attach it with her. So pant plus her becomes panther, which is a type of cat. Then prolong RCH test indefinitely. Here prolong means to stretch. Now indefinitely is actually an anagram indicator. I just told you that anagram is a letter jumble. So RCH test, when do an anagram, it becomes stretch, which also is a synonym of prolong. Okay, medicines for little computers. As I explained earlier, medicine and little computer are tablets, because you ingest a medicine, which is a kind of tablet, and then a tablet is also a kind of little computer on which you do stuff. Okay, bro there holds father's son. So again, holds. This means that the answer to this question is actually hidden in this. So brother. Next is the down explanations. Little creature lost in Canterbury, again ant. Lost is a kind of holder indicator. Part of foot placed on top of Tower of England. Okay, so part of foot, this is the direct clue. Placed on, now this is the connecting link. You don't have to pay attention to this. And top of Tower of England. So when you hear top, this means that it can either be a placing or an initial. So when you find the initials of Tower of England, T O E, you get 2. Next, a bit of ketchup and so on. Again, a bit means that the answer is hidden in this and you get ETC. Okay, take a seat with special investigating team initially. Now, this is the direct clue. This is the connecting link. And this is the indirect clue. Now, when you see initially, that means you have to find the initials. So S, I, T, which is to sit. The next is massage Ruby endlessly. So in this case, we don't have a connecting link. It's just a direct clue and the indirect clue. So endlessly, when you see something that is endless, that means it doesn't have an end. And in this case, the end is actually Y and you then remove Y. So you get rub. Okay, so that's it for today. We can
We
actually
can also do some examples of cryptic crossword clues.
We can also do that. So let's actually do some simple ones before. Okay, so let me give some clues of myself. Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, so we have okay, so stop in summit. It is of 3 letters. So any guesses? Stop in summit. Any ideas? What did you say? Can I repeat that? Hello? Okay, so stop in summit. Again, this is the indirect clue. You don't have to pay attention. Summit is the direct clue. You have to sometimes find out that by yourself, and then stop. So you can see that here. Sorry, I forgot to add that. And let's stop in summit. Okay, so endless stop in summit. Again, you have to discard the end of a word. So either end is S or P. So when you discard P, you get top, which is also the synonym of summit. Okay, so another one. Okay, so display slang is back. So this is a bit hard, so I'll explain it myself. So here, display is a direct clue, and actually 7 letters. Okay, so here this place is a direct clue, and then here is the indirect clue. Slang is back. So when you get back, you kind of think of a reversal. So when you reverse the letters that back is showing, slang is, you get signals, which is the answer. Okay, so let me figure out some more clues.
Y- Yeah, here's a clue. Flash conference for the audience. So it's of 4 words. If you see here, can anyone try to answer this? The clue is fresh conference for the audience. Let me make it easier. Here, flash is the direct clue. Any synonyms for flash which is of 4 words?
Can I, Jayant?
Yeah,
Meat. MEAT, meat.
correct. Meet is the correct answer. Here, the phrase conference for the audience is the indirect link where the audience tells us that it is the synonym of that is the synonym of conference here. And any synonym for conference, it is meet, MEET, and the word meet sounds similar to the word MEAT, which is the answer here. So here a phrase of homophones was used. Another clue may sound like this: net found in Sumatra port. Can anyone answer this?
Trap.
Yeah, correct. Can you explain it?
So found net is basically, I think, the direct clue, because trap is a synonym of net, kind of synonym, or like similar, like you can get it. And Sumatra port, it says found in Sumatra port, so Sumatra, TRA, and port P together becomes trap.
Correct. Uh, can you tell your name?
Anjali Jha.
Now we move on to the next clue. The next clue goes on like this: people reading menu endlessly.
Can I, Jayant?
Yeah,
MEN, men.
yes. Can you explain it?
Yes, it is written endlessly means menu endlessly means we have to cut the end and you will be cut, and people synonym is men.
Yeah, that was the exact clue. That was the exact answer solution of the clue.
Okay, so I have more questions, so let me share. Okay, so wait, X, 1 second. Uh, okay, so moving phone. Basically, here, moving phone is the direct clue. Actually, the whole word is a direct clue. Moving phone. So, anyone has any answers? kind of correlate between moving and phone. What are the synonyms that can be used for moving and phone both? Any ideas? Very good.
Mobile.
The answer is mobile. And can you explain?
So anything that moves is mobile, and phone is also called mobile. So moving phone is mobile.
Okay, very correct. Now here, color is fuel like. It's a bit of a pun. You know what a pun is? A pun is sort of a play on words. So any ideas? It's actually a two word phrase of 4 and 5 letters. Any ideas? Fuel like and color. Try to correlate. What's the fuel? Anyone can give example of any fuel?
Gasoline.
More?
Gasoline.
Any more examples?
Petrol, diesel.
Okay, so here we can say that coal is a fuel, right? So now what is a type of color that has coal in its name? We can say that the answer is coal
Charcoal?
black. Coal
Is
black.
it charcoal?
It's coal black.
Okay.
Okay, so South cream makes me shriek. Okay, so here shriek is the direct clue. Okay, so here you can find a sort of substitution. So what's the initial of South? When you write South, do you write it full or just the letter? You write S, right? Okay, so when you add S and cream, what does it become?
Is it scream?
Yes, it's cream. So you add S and then cream, so it becomes scream. Okay, next one. Masked male in Africa. Okay, so this is a 4 letter answer. And the direct clue is
Mali.
in Africa. Very good. And how did you get the answer?
In basically told me that the word is in Mali. So unjumbling male, sorry. So unjumbling male gives me Mali, which is a country in Africa.
Okay, very correct. Okay, so Idle Hospital indefinitely in city. It's a 5 letter answer.
Delhi,
Very good.
Delhi.
And how did you get the answer?
As indefinitely will make that idle and hospital as a Delhi, it is endless. The
Okay.
kind of.
Okay.
So the answer is Delhi.
Okay, very good. Okay, so okay, so South Pace goes to the stars. Any ideas? The stars is a direct clue. It's given in bold and it's of 5 letters. Again, this is just a simple substitution clue, so it will be very simple. Any ideas?
Space.
Very good. And how did you get the answer?
As stars are found in the space and south space means speed. That's why going to stars is like space.
Okay, so You were a bit correct and a bit wrong. Actually, here your answer is definitely correct. South pace. Now south again becomes S, and then you add it with pace, so it becomes space. Okay, next one. Actually, there are many types of clues, so this one will be a bit hard and a bit fun also. Okay, crazy one Roman. So if you read a bit of history, then it will be really easy for you.
Hitler.
No, actually Hitler was not Roman. It's a bit more older. So the person we are talking about is really old. So if you have read Roman emperors, then you might know the answer. Any ideas? Okay, so the answer is Nero. Actually, he was a very crazy Roman emperor. And if you read history books about his craziness, then you might know what he did. So the answer is Nero. And how did you get the answer? See here, Nero. So it becomes Nero. Okay, next. Might be really hard or might be really easy depending on how you get it. Okay, Gegs. So you might want to jumble the word and then approach it. Okay, so any ideas?
Drugged up.
Shaken eggs.
Eggs.
You can go further than that. Shaken egg, somewhere else, somewhere near that. Because shaken is not 9 liter.
Scrambled eggs.
Very good. It's scrambled eggs. And how did you get that?
If we unjumble eggs, it is of gegs. It becomes eggs, and it refers to scrambled
So when
because
you
it was
scramble.
scrambled.
Okay, so when you scramble eggs, it becomes gegs. This is a nice one. Okay. Bird gets new tiara. So any ideas? Tiara, someone with tiara. You know what tiara is? Something like tiara. Okay, so can anyone tell me what a tiara is? Okay, a tiara is a type of ornament that you wear on your head. So what else do you wear on your head? Something old-fashioned.
Crown.
Okay, very good. And how did you get the answer?
Because you said it was an old ornament that we wear on heads.
Okay, so you got that from the direct clue. Okay, so to approach it from the cryptic method, see here, bird. So what's a kind of a bird? Some examples you only
Crow.
get the answer. Okay, so crow. And when you learn more about cryptic clues, then you know that you have to substitute some words for some short letters. For example, you get south for S, north for N, and you get new for N. So crow plus N, crow plus N, which is actually from new. So you get crown. Okay. Four letters, and it's something to do with protest. Any ideas?
Riot.
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 Okay. And
Riot.
how did you get the answer?
Protest. So that means the word has to be a synonym of protest. Since that's the direct clue. So first and then renal intermediary operating theater. So first letters of each word. So R I O T.
Okay, very good. So the answer is right, and you, as you said, the first letters of each word, which becomes riot. Okay, so the next one. Okay, so Los Angeles metal is from Mediterranean Europe. Okay, so what's the short form of Los Angeles?
LA.
LA.
And any kind of metal, which is of three words, three letters. An example of a metal. You guys are reading science, right?
Tin.
Can I repeat that?
Tin.
Okay, tin. Very good. So when you add La plus tin, you get Latin, which is actually the region of Mediterranean Europe, which is actually comprising of Italy and Greece. So that is okay. So next. Okay, 100 had an African country. So it's of four letters. Anyone got any ideas? Any answers? Okay, so what's the Roman of 100? Roman numeral of 100?
C.
Okay,
C.
so when you add C with had, what does it become?
Chad.
Chad. So when you look up the globe, you can see that Chad is actually a country in Africa. Okay, next. Okay, so 5 letters. North country is the clue. So, any ideas?
Nepal.
Okay, how did you get the answer?
Nepal is in the northern hemisphere and first letter from north and east NE and Pal.
Okay, so Nepal. Okay, very correct. Okay, painter's picture of a tipless lasso. So here painter is a direct clue. Any guesses? It's a famous painter.
Picasso.
And how did they get the answer?
Like PIC from the picture and ASSO from the lasso and
Okay,
the
so
painter.
here you can see that picture, of course, is pick and then tipless, which means that either the last or the first letter is missing. So when you remove L, you get Picasso. Is of course a famous painter. Okay, corporate video about a raging disease. You might know what the raging disease is. Any guesses?
COVID.
COVID.
Okay, so how did they get the answer?
Corporate CO and video VID.
Okay, that's absolutely correct. Okay, so nocturnal guard perhaps. Any ideas? So it's of 6 letters. Okay, so let me give you a hint. Perhaps means that the two words may sound like each other. You know, homophones. So they are basically homophones. They sound like each other. So nocturnal, a word meaning with nocturnal, and guard, a similar word of guard. They both might mean the same. Any ideas? And the guard is direct clue.
Police.
Somewhere close. Anyone have any guesses? Okay, so let me give the answer. The answer is night. So nocturnal, which means at night. Someone at night, someone goes out at night. And a type of guard is a night, he protects you. So the answer is night. Okay. Soundly rule over monsoon. So it's a 4 letters. Any guesses? Again, soundly means that homophone. So rule and monsoon might have a word or two that sound the same. Okay, so what's a synonym of rule? Any guesses? Not the answer, just a synonym of rule.
Rain.
Rain. So when you say rain, it sounds like the monsoon rain. So the answer is rain. Okay, spy for a shoe. This again is a type of clue in which both words are the same. Both words have a same answer. It's of 6 letters. So, any idea? Okay, so what are the kinds of shoes that you wear? Can somebody list them? You know, rain boots, then running shoes, and can anybody give more kinds of shoes?
Sneakers.
Sneaker. So, when you spy on something, what do? You sneak on it, right? So, a spy is a kind of sneaker, and a shoe is a sneaker. Okay, so that's it for this session. In the next session, I'll explain how and where to solve these clues and what to know and what not to know to understand these types of clues. So, what to know and where to apply. We will understand about indicators and what do those indicators do and how to use them. Okay, thank you. Sparsh?
Thank you, Mishu. Before coming to the end of the program, we now request our principal sir to motivate us with his valuable inputs.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Acha. And Misu and Sparsh, thank you for taking this session. And I think, some of the answers which came from the students. So I think it is encouraging that they are probably getting to know about cryptic crossword. Misu, what is your observation?
Yes, sir. They are very interactive. I think they have a lot of interest.
Well, good. So you people have to set the ball rolling, and
Yes, sir.
this could have been done earlier, but I'm still happy that you just have taken time off, and would request that and Santoshi and others, the teachers in charge. So please let us have our these people going and continue the good work. The name that Radiant has as far as this crossword thing is concerned, and only we should be able to build upon whatever that we've done so far. So good that we've been able to do this. Thank you. And Santoshi, anything that you have to say or anything that you want them to say or anything to be coordinated?
No, so thank you, sir, for joining. And they have very well coordinated everything. And I'll try to arrange some more sessions with them so that the students get more interested towards it and participate more.
And let the students also in the meantime start and learn on their own and get books, etc., and whatever is required assistance from our side in terms of books or any other facility that we should be able to provide.
Yes, sir.
Anything else? I heard, Anjali, do you need anything?
Sir, I don't think so. I think just books will do. The cryptic crossword books that come and show how to solve and with sample crosswords. I think that will help.
Yeah, okay. So that will be good. And then you people start solving all these, which is there online, all in the newspaper or elsewhere, or, you could check with these people. And so that will be good. Eh? Chalo. Okay then. Thank you very much, Nisu and Sparsh and everybody. Anyone else? Anything else to add? Yeah, Manisha, anything?
No, sir, I addressed them at the beginning, but one thing, congratulations, Mishu and Sparsh, very well coordinated and balanced session. And along with the students, you had our interest also binded right from the beginning. So, very good. We would like to join your next sessions also. And for the students, it was fun that you were able to answer and or the way they were telling. So there are so many ways of solving it, but it will come to you more easily only when, as sir said, consult books, keep on practicing. So practice is the keyword over here, which I think Mishu and Sparsh have been doing over the years. So they have become so good at it. So all the best to everyone. Looking forward to more sessions. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Chalo, bye everyone. Take care.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you.
We have
Bye.
come to the end of today's session
Thank you, sir.
and would like to thank Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all for taking time to attend this program. Friends, there are two types of speakers, those who never stop to think and those who never think to stop. I sincerely hope we haven't been either. Thank you.
Chalo, okay. And Santoshi, how many joined today?
Sir, there were more than 20. But in between, some have left, but more than 20 were there in the starting.
Then you get hold of everybody and give them task and apna this one, and
Yes,
they'll
sir.
give you some feedback at the
Yeah, I
top.
have taken screenshot also, the students who have joined.
Right. ठीक है, चलिए. We will also learn on the way. Thank you. Bye.
Yes.
Take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.